Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to work on this beautiful motif. I hope you enjoy it. It's really easy to make. For this motif I use the yarn in this kind of yarn, and then I use the needle for 2.5 size. What we have to do, we start by, it's up to you. You can start by magic loops or you can start by chain. What I have to do, I make around 6 chains, then make a loop, and for in the middle of this loop I have to make 10 double crochet. These 3 chains for the beginning consider as a 1, so it means I have to make 9 more double crochet for the first row. I think I already made 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. So what we have to do from now on, when we want to join the row together, it's not like a normal to do this slip stitch. What we have to do, insert my hook in the first one, like the one we made in chain, grab the yarn and join it with the last one. So what we have to do, chain 3 again. Now it's time to make double crochet in each of these double crochet, but it has to be twice. This one consider as a 1. I'm going to insert the hook again here and make 1 double crochet. So this one consider as the first one. When it comes to next one, I'm going to do it at the back side. So insert my hook at the back side and make 2 double crochet. Now again it's time to make it in front side. So I insert my hook here in the middle of the stitch and make 2. Then let's do it again at the back twice. So it means we are going to repeat all these stitches, 1 in front, 1 at back. Sorry, 2 in front, 2 at back, 2 in front, 2 at back, and I'll be back. Now I finished the row. As I told you, to join the row together, we are going to insert the hook from here at the back side to the first one, grab the yarn and then make it a slip stitch. So what we have to do, we are going to chain 3, make 1 here. We are going to, because now we all have 2 in each stitches, I'm going to make 2 double crochet here. It means that from now on we have to make at the end of the stitches we have to make 2, and in the beginning we have to start to have 1. It means that when it comes to these 2 at the end, the first one we are going to make 1 double crochet, in the next one we make 2 double crochet. and this pattern should be repeat because we are going to have 5 stitches in front and 5 stitches at the back. Let me show you here. If you can see 1 2 3 4 in front, 1 2 3 4 at the back. So keep continue by when it comes in the one in front, we are going to make 1 double crochet in the first one and 2 double crochet in the next one. Goes again to the back side. I make 1 in the first one and 2 in the second. So we keep continue that pattern in this row, and I'll be back. Now I finished the row. Again, I'm going to join the row by insert my hook here, grab the yarn and make 1 slip stitch. Again, for the beginning, I chain 3. When it comes in this, I'm going to make 1 in that one, and when it comes to that part, because this is the end of the front side, I'm going to make 2. So it means in this row I have to have 3. If you look at here at the back side, for the first one I make 1. For the second one also I make 1. When it comes to the last part, I make 2. Let's do it again. Now in front side I have 3 stitch. For the first one I make 1. The second one also I make 1. When it comes to the last part, I make 2. As you can see here, we start with 1. Now we have 4. The same like the back side. And this is the repeat of this pattern until you reach your size you like. Because as you can see, the pattern start. I'm going to finish the row and I'll be back. I also finished the row. Again, join together by chain 3, start the pattern. When it comes in the front side, I'm going to make 1 on the top of each. This is the last stitch in front side. I'm going to make 2. When it comes to the back side, again I make 1 on the top. When it comes to the last stitch, I make 2. 1 and 2. Now as you can see here, front side, we make 1, 2, 3, and the last one 2. Let me just explain something to you. As you can see here, we start the pattern from 1, then it's going to be increased in each row by increasing in the last one. But the key here, always the stitches for the one in front, it has to be exactly the same number of stitches at the back, And the key here, when you start the one in front side, always in each row you have to make one on the top of each. Only the last one you have to make two. And the same as the back side. The one in the beginning, it has to be one double crochet. The last one, it has to be two. If you repeat that pattern, you are going to have the motif like that. As I told you, you are going to have 5 in front and 5 at the back. As you can see, almost they are the same, but this one is considered as a row at the front side. And as I told you, it's up to you which size do you like. If you want it in this size, you are going to stop it. If you want to bigger and smaller, it's really up to you. And just make sure always the number of that stitch at the back, it has to be exactly the same number in front. And as I told you, for the beginning you have to always make one on the top of each. When it comes in the last one, make two. The same at the back side, one in each of stitches from the beginning. Only the last one, it has to be two. That's all. I hope you enjoy this tutorial. If you like, please share it with your friends. And thank you for watching this video, and have a good day.